Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 Amazon KDP keywords that are really profitable. They're low content, they are low competition as well, and high demand. Let's get started with our first keyword. And just before we get started, subscribe to the channel for daily videos such as these. And if you are looking at strategies and tips and tricks to earn passive income online, as I share my journey here on the channel, stay subscribed, click on the bell icon, and let's get started. The first keyword for the day is military tank coloring book. Now I'm using 4 Chrome extensions in today's video, and I've outlined them in a video about the 4 free Chrome extensions that you can use to analyze Amazon KDP keywords to ensure whether they are profitable or not. So if you want to access that video after this one, there will be a link in the description box below. Now, I'm also using Self-Publishing Titans, which is a free Chrome extension, and it is giving us this beautiful analytics that you can see right over here, as well as Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score. So for military tank coloring book, we have a keyword niche score given by Self-Publishing Titans of 52, and I'm quite happy with this. And we also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of 8. Now 9 is the highest and 8 is considered really good, and it categorizes this keyword as a nice niche. Now we do have the total results of 789, which is ideal, because ideally in a perfect situation you would want your total results to be 1,000 or under. And we also have an average bestseller rank of 622,819. Now I usually aim for around 300,000, 400,000, but this is also good. I wouldn't really consider making a lot of books or a lot of coloring books for this keyword, yet I still feel that there is quite a great potential in this keyword. It is a coloring book keyword that is quite rare nowadays to find a coloring book keyword that is profitable and that is low competition as well and high demand. So we also have the average reviews of 39 and an average price of $9.17. This price is quite good, considering now that the Amazon team has made changes to their printing costs, so it's quite good to price it around $9-10 as well. So as you can see here, you want to create the coloring book that's revolving around the military. So think about the tools, think about the tanks, the planes, the military planes, and so forth that you might want to do. Now, you can also take the educational route. Now this keyword is an open keyword, so you can sub niche whatever way you want. You can, for example, create a military tank coloring book for adults, for kids, and then you can also sub niche based on gender as well, based on a theme, based on age groups as well. So that would be great to do that. So you want to create a coloring book that has tanks, mostly tanks. If there's different types of tanks as well, I really love also adding educational elements or an educational vibe to the coloring books or to the activity books or workbooks or whatever it is that you're creating for Amazon KDP, because it really gives that added perceived value. So if you can add in some educational elements, especially if you are creating a book for children, I'm very sure the parents and the caregivers will find that super helpful, and it will also boost your sales as well. So this is an example. This book is selling quite well, and it has a bestseller rank of 91,129, and it is titled The Coolest Military Technology Fun and Facts Coloring Book. So it has illustrations, also includes 125 cool facts about military technology, and this is something that you might want to kind of look into, is taking that educational route as well, especially if you're aiming for children. We also have other books as well. Now remember, the cover does play a big role. Now you can get the coloring book interiors for military tanks in, for example, Etsy. Creative Fabrica is also a great resource that offers you coloring pages to do with different themes as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. I do have a link for Creative Fabrica 30-day free trial, no catches included, in the description box below. You can go ahead and access that. And let's head over to the second keyword for the day. Another thing before we get we go to the second keyword, my apologies, you'd also want to have a look at what categories the books are ranking for example, the best-selling books as well. So you've chosen one or two best-selling books in each of the keywords that we're going to discuss in today's video. Go look at the categories so then you can be able to selectively choose the right category when uploading your book. The second keyword is military coloring books for kids ages 8 to 12, and this has a slightly lower bestseller rank, which is good as well. It is 408,015, and also a keyword niche score of 38. Total results are under 1,000. Total results for this keyword is 817, and the average price is $8.50. We also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which it gives this keyword a keyword niche score of 6, categorizing it as a nice niche. So this really does make it easier for you, because you'll be able to niche down where you create a military themed coloring book for children ages 8 to 12. It's up to you whether you decide to further go ahead and sub niche, for example, for boys, for girls, make it educational, make it funny, make it humorous, make it more of a serious tone to do with facts about the major military themes and stuff, but just make it child friendly, make it entertaining as much as possible, and get the kids engaged as well. That would be great. I'd also add some blank pages, maybe like a border around the blank pages, so it wouldn't be refused by Amazon, just to leave some space for the children to doodle, to draw, to write, to sketch, for example, whatever they feel comfortable with. That just that empty space surrounded by some elements, small elements here and there, and that would also be quite good as well. So the third keyword for today's video is just a girl who loves tulip notebook. So this is a notebook theme, and I'm quite happy with this despite the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro of number 4. I'm just going to go ahead and ignore that, because all the other analytics for this keyword right over here indicate that there is a chance for profitability. First of all, we have the keyword niche score of 39. It is not too strong, yet it is still something that I'm able to go ahead with. For example, create a book or two under this keyword, and then advertise it using Pinterest free pins, for example. That would work great, or add it to the Instagram branded page that I have. That would also sell quite well as well. We have the total results under 1,000. The total results are 326, and also the average bestseller rank is 440,360, which indicates that books are selling quite well under this keyword, and the average price is $6.53. Now please make sure to adjust your prices based on the price changes that are going on, or else you're going to get limited royalties for your sales. So there are a couple of books that are selling quite well under this keyword, and you need to really keep in mind to do with the covers. Create an engaging cover, create a cover that sells. As you might also want to add in some other elements other than just a complete lined notebook. So maybe add in some like, for example, like motivational quotes here and there, just at the bottom right hand corner or top left hand corner of each page. Just add in as much value as you can. Don't make it just like a regular lined notebook, and create a book or 2, 3 or 4 if you want for this niche, and then move on. Don't completely focus on this niche because of the average bestseller rank being 440. We do aim for around 300,000 ideally, yet I'm still happy with this niche, and this is why I chose to share it with you, and I'll also be personally pursuing this keyword as well. Now let's have a look at the fourth and final keyword for today's video, and it is Content Creator Planner 2023, and it has a keyword niche score of 25 given by Self-Publishing Titans. I'm going to go ahead and ignore that 25 because of the other analytics that I'm happy with given by Self-Publishing Titans, and also because of the confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a great score, which is number 6 for this keyword. Then again, don't completely focus on this keyword because of the higher bestseller rank, yet I still want you to take advantage of this keyword by creating 2 or 3 books and then moving on as well. I won't add in the 2023 as part of the title or subtitle, just because I don't want to limit the book sales to 1 year only. What's going to happen in 2024 and the future years as well, it's not going to sell because of the addition of 2023. So you can go ahead and use the complete keyword content creator planner 2023 as part of your 7 keyword slots, and that way it wouldn't be mentioned in the cover, it wouldn't be mentioned in the title and the subtitle as well. So any keyword that you add to the 7 keyword slots means that this book will show up under this main keyword, and you wouldn't be able to limit yourself to the yearly stage right now. So it has a total results of 247, which is ideal. Average bestseller rank is 628,375, and we have an average reviews of 1,709 and an average price of $7.54. So think of it as an aid. You're creating a planner that's supposed to help content creators to organize their, for example, social media content, to organize their YouTube channel. You can also sub-niche on what type of content creator planner you want to create. Is it for YouTubers? Is it for TikTokers? Is it for people who are on Instagram? Is it for business people who are looking, for example, for sponsorships? Or is it people who are looking for monetizing their content through, for example, selling courses and monetization through AdSense and so forth. So you can sub niche based on whatever it is that you like. Would you like to create a content creator planner for women, for men? Would you like it to create it for teens? Would you like to create it for girls, boys, age groups, and so forth? So think about the major potential as well. And I'd also add in some information, helpful information and strategies within the content planner to serve to both motivate the creator as well as help them with content planning, helping them with goal setting as well. So these sort of strategies to get them to rank their content better, or to create their content easier and to streamline their content. So just as an aid, not only as a workbook, but also as a book that they can reflect to for some tips and tricks as well. So highly recommended you pursue this niche and do not add 2023 to your title or subtitle, please. Now let's just summarize the 4 main keywords that we discussed in today's video. First of all, military tank coloring book, which has a keyword niche score of 52. I'm really happy with this keyword. And we also have military coloring books for kids ages 8 to 12, which has a total results of 817 and a keyword niche score of 38. And just a girl who loves tulip notebook, which has a keyword niche score of 39 and total results of 326. And finally, we have content creator planner 2023, which has a total results of 247 and a keyword niche score of 6 given my Amazon Scout Pro. If you did enjoy today's video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.